Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Honkai. Star Rail error resource download failed. Try again. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to launch the game but are unable to get past the download screen. According to our research, this error is likely caused by network issues, language settings, or minor glitches with the launcher or system. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to use a VPN. Several users have shared that connecting through a VPN helped them bypass the issue. So if you have access to a VPN, connect over it. And once connected, check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then consider using Cloudflare Warp. This is another network-based fix that has helped some players resolve the issue, so simply install and connect using Cloudflare Warp, then check for the error again. If the error continues and you are a PC user, then click on the Repair Now option from the launcher. Let the repair process complete and then check if this helps with the error. If the error persists, then check your in-game language settings. Make sure your voice language is set to English. Some players found that switching the voice language back to English resolved the issue. After changing it, check for the error again. If the error doesn't resolve, then restart your device and check for any pending system updates. Once your device is updated and restarted, check if the error still comes. At last, if the error still persists, then wait for some time and try again later. A few users mentioned that the issue resolved itself without doing anything. So just give it some time and check for the error again. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.